We're going to make some quick, super quick creamy dill pickle chicken wrap. We're going to preheat the oven first, and then we're going to wash and dry all our produce. That's not very much produce, but we have a salad from yesterday, so we're going to eat that too. This is just a little bit of salad for the wraps. Then we're going to come over here.
No, I forgot what I'm doing.
You drain this pickle juice. Leave those there. We'll mix in half this creamy dressing. Only makes half because you need the other half. And then we're going to put this pickle juice in there. And then we're going to take a little bit of this. Not all of it though, because we need to put it on some of the chicken. Okay. We're not going to use all the pickles. We're going to save some because we need second pickles in there. This being this little coleslaw topper. Okay, now we're going to come over here, clean this chicken up. I'm going to wash the chicken too. Ready. Also, all that stuff they put in there, that extra water, it's not even just this thing. And the juicy stuff. Now we're looking good. Move here to pat dry. Pat dry. Now we're going to bring them over. Careful. Always wear good oven mitts. If you don't have any, wear welding gloves. Oh yeah, these are nice and tender, buddy. Come on over here. Looking sharp. I don't think we need that many pieces. Make that crisp. I'm going to take some shallots.